Guys, we are here at the North American International Auto Show. And what do I have behind me? A factory first matte wraps are now being offered from Ford for the Mustang. I have to ask, what is something like this would cost option wise? Where are we looking at?
Yeah, so it's about
What is up, fam? Hope this message finds you all well and in good spirits. We are here at the New York International Auto Show to see a few really cool Mustangs. Ford had reported they're doing their first ever matte wrap Mustangs from the factory. So we're gonna go check it out. Some more stuff to see. We're super excited. And guys, if you don't know, let me remind you some housekeeping. We got about 2 weeks left to our America vs. the World race, April 14th. So check it out on 3spot.com for tickets. You can race, you can watch, or do the car show. So we're excited about that. So make sure you sign up for tickets online or it's cash only at the gate. But for now, let's check out these Mustangs. Always been a big fan of the Javits Center, what they do here. Future DTD owner?
Can't wait. I want to see it. I want to sit.
So there is the Ford section. So we're going to see the first matte wrapped Mustang from the factory ever. So it's right, guys. So this is the Ford place. We got to check out the 24 Explorer, 25 Explorer, and 24 F-150. But there it is. Take a look. I'm seeing it for the first time myself. This is the Dark Horse matte wrap from the factory that you can get. Remember, you can order these now. And we're going to take a very close look at what it looks like. But take a look, guys. Now, the Vapor Blue Metallic, I think what went into this, we're asked Ford about this in a second, was they noticed and they watched all of us, the community, very closely. A lot of us do the matte wraps. So now you can order it from Ford, factory first, a beautiful matte wrap Mustang. So let's take a look at this Dark Horse example. So you literally get it off the truck at your dealership with this beautiful matte wrap. Protects your paint, obviously. Underneath is still the beautiful metallic of any color. So you can see that. And then, of course, we'll take a look at how it looks as far as... Now, so you can still see that on this shark fin here, that's the normal color. And then there you have the matte factory wrap. So pretty cool that Ford is offering this. This does come with a warranty, which is great. And let me talk about, you know what I'm gonna look for. Are there any seams or wrinkles or what's going on? But just from looking at it, looks really good, guys. Now it looks like the door handles are still the factory color. Makes sense. And you can see how clean this is. So that's the matte, and that right there is your factory Vapor metallic color. Just another great way to keep your Mustang going strong, and really cool. And shout out to Ford for doing this for the consumer, you and me, because listen, time is, you know, what we take with our vehicles. So if you're already ahead of the game with having a wrap from the factory like this, that's pretty cool. All right, guys, we talked about the first ever Ford first for the Mustang. Factory matte wraps are now available. So I'm gonna ask the source of this guy, my guy JB here. And what's your title, bro? What's your name?
Mustang brand manager for Ford, Joe Bellino.
Joe Bellino. This is the guy who makes all of our dreams come true. We're so excited to have him on the channel and talk to us about what went into doing a Ford first for a Mustang matte wrap.
Yeah, so at Mustang, we're always looking to customize vehicles, right? And matte wrap was a great opportunity. Give you the paint protection, but also allow you to customize it and make it unique. So you see the aftermarket do it, now you order right from the factory, and you get that right to your door look.
So my question is, what is this? Is it for every color or just?
Every color, and only on coupes right now. So you can get on EcoBoost, GT, and Dark Horse.
Now, is there a delay with ordering that? Like, do you have to wait a long time, or how does that work?
No, so it's available to order now. You'll start to see them about the summertime, and it should be no longer than your normal process of ordering a vehicle.
This is pretty cool, guys. I love what Ford is doing. They're watching their community like us. They see we do the matte wraps because it looks cool, but it's also protecting the paint.
Absolutely, yeah. It's got two purposes
Yeah,
to it.
protects the paint underneath. But how about warranty? How does that work?
Yeah, so it follows our 3-year, 36,000-mile warranty. So you're going to get that same protection that you get on the vehicle, you're going to get on the wrap as well.
Do they do that through the Ford dealer that they bought it from?
Ford dealer, yeah.
This is
all
pretty
covered through the
cool.
dealer.
I love what Ford is doing with having the stuff we would do at home.
Absolutely.
And you know what? We live in a world where time is money and time is what we need. And to have it already set up for us, turnkey, is pretty cool.
Absolutely, yeah. And you know, that just shows Mustang's got a lot of enthusiasts working on the team to come up with something like this and put it out there for our customers. Like you said, a lot of aftermarket people are going that route. We offer right from the factory, which is not something you see normally.
Now, I have to ask, what is something like this would cost option-wise? Where are we looking at?
Yeah, so it's about $6,000 to
Okay.
do that, and you get the warranty. So very comparable to what you might see.
Very comparable, yeah. Because I also want to tell you guys, a lot of people are like, "Whoa, that might seem a little bit more." You got to remember the word warranty, and on top of that, it's coming from Ford, from Michigan.
From Michigan, yep.
The way the car is built. So one of the things that's really important to a lot of Mustang crazies like me is all the small details. So to have a matte wrap like this, and maybe in 5 years, you're like, you know what, let me look at that beautiful paint underneath.
Peel it off, it's gonna look the same as when it rolled off the factory.
You have like 2 brand new paint jobs. So I really appreciate it, JB.
Thank you.
Guys, maybe we'll see a factory matte wrap Mustang on the StangMode channel. Who knows? But I'm really excited to do some more beauty shots of this. I appreciate your time.
Thank you.
Any other teasers you're going to give us coming up here? Maybe got some more
There's
stuff
a lot.
coming?
We've got 60th anniversary, right? It's
Okay.
a big year for us. We've got a new logo.
Oh, can we see that? Let's look at the bag here. Do we have it on the bag?
Yeah, but this is our 60th year logo right there.
Oh, all right, cool. There you go.
And we're going to have a special event at Charlotte Motor Speedway on April 17th.
Love that place.
To kick
All right.
off Mustang's birthday and really celebrate
60
it. So,
years, guys.
yeah, continuous production. Not many can say that.
No
We're
one,
very proud
yeah.
of that.
We're listen. I like to flex on my Camaro and Mopar guys that hey, 60 years. There's generations up to this. So
There's a lot of bloodline there from
Yeah, there
fathers,
is.
sons, daughters.
Absolutely.
It just gets passed down, and we're excited to be a part of it again.
and I'm glad you mentioned daughters because I'm telling you right now. Can we take a look at Sydney Sweeney's car?
Absolutely.
All
Let's
right.
take a look at it.
What's I was so caught off guard by this. What went into this? What's this project? What's this color? Talk to me.
Yeah. So we've partnered with Sydney Sweeney
Okay.
on Bronco and now Mustang to create merch. But then also we thought, let's do something unique and create a one-of-a-kind Mustang. Now, this one is going to be given to a lucky fan, and Sydney has one. So it's really
Oh,
two
cool.
cars.
So there's one for the celebrity actress, and then one for you guys did a giveaway.
Yes.
All right, cool. And there, I think she who won?
She will be here tomorrow.
Oh, she's
We
taking
have-
delivery.
She's
All
taking
right.
delivery tomorrow, so we haven't announced that all yet. But
Oh, sorry. Well, embargo
no,
if we
you're
have
fine.
to.
You're
Yeah.
fine. So this is Robin's Egg blue paint that we've added a crushed glass clear coat, so you can see it really popping and dancing.
Okay,
under
say
these
that
lights.
3 times fast. Robin egg blue paint.
with crushed glass clear coat.
Holy cow.
Tongue twister.
Guys, look at this. This is
Look
pretty
at
cool.
that. And you'll notice there's a ghosted racing stripe, which is really
Wow.
really sets it apart.
All right, iPhone 15. You better be
that up.
catching this, dude.
Absolutely.
That looks really cool. So did she choose this color? How did you guys
Yeah,
get
so
to
we
that?
worked with her and her
Okay.
team on creating a car. So she's got a classic Mustang.
Got it.
And we used cues from that to help create this for her. So she was in the design process quite a bit, which was awesome to interact with. And there's chrome wheels, right?
Yeah, absolutely.
We don't offer that, so we've made it special for her. That wheel design is a 2024 model, but we chromed it. You'll notice her signature.
Now this
purple
is pretty
logo.
cool. Like I love what went into this. So talk to me what went into this. This is her specific logo?
This is her specific logo that she features, and so we wanted to replace it and put it subtly on the car, right? So replace the 5-liter badge with her unique logo that stands out.
That is pretty cool. I've never seen that. And whoever came up with that, that's pretty creative. Now, I see the logo, I see the paint. This interior looks pretty cool.
Absolutely.
What's going on here?
Yeah, so this is all new interior.
So
it's
open
new-
it up there.
Yeah, take a look at
Take
it.
a look.
All brown leather interior, door cards, two-tone seat.
Wow.
Really sets it apart. You'll notice there's a unique dash plaque here.
Oh yeah, look at that.
Sydney helped design it. New sill plates, which you'll see that logo featured.
Oh, these
throughout.
light up too.
They light up. Yep.
That is pretty cool. Now, and oh, I see the logo right there
on the
too.
back embossed on the leather seats.
Saddle cover seats only, and this sheet did it exclusively for this car.
That looks pretty cool.
It's a great color seat.
Very
It
nice.
sets it apart, pops with the blue exterior, and it's one of a kind, really.
Yeah, I see the steering wheel is done. Can we take a look at that
Absolutely,
too?
let's go around there and take a look.
Yeah. So this is a 5.0. Okay, there's a GT badge.
It's a GT.
Yeah.
All right, cool.
Yeah, so it started life as a GT that we brought to the next level. So
Wow.
we didn't really, we took our time as we did it. So you'll
Sure.
notice the brown on the door matches the seat to the steering wheel. We didn't want it to look, mixy matchy. So we really
No, I
combined it
love
all
that.
together and made it
I-
look like it came out of the factory that way.
Yeah, it looks very high end actually. Like I'm getting like a F-150 vibe. Yeah, King Ranch or
absolutely.
something. Yeah.
It's awesome. We've really gotten a lot of great feedback online about this, and it's really cool on the engine cover. Sydney signed it as well, so we've got her signature
Wow.
on there.
Is there a potential for an interior like this to bleed over into production?
It's a good question, right? When we looked at it, we were looking at what might work, and the feedback has been so strong that I
Sure.
think it's taken our team to okay, maybe we need to take a look
Yeah,
at
I'm
things.
going to tell you right now, I love the Mustang interior, but I haven't seen this kind of design or this color, and me personally, I would love this with like a nice maroon on the outside. I think that would
Even
be.
a green.
Yeah, absolutely.
There's some and I like the brown interior. So you know what? With the success that we saw,
Sure.
we might need to take a look at that and talk with our team. So
Yeah.
more to come. Not
Yeah,
committing to
absolutely.
anything
Yeah,
yet, but
we're not breaking any news, but we're just. Let me take a look at the steering wheel because now does this keep the heated steering wheel too?
It does, yeah. It keeps all the factory functions.
I'm gonna tell you guys right now, if you don't have an S650, which I definitely recommend you get one, the best heated steering wheel I've ever experienced.
It's
This
unbelievable.
thing definitely warms my hands up in the morning. But can we take a look at the engine bay?
Absolutely.
Okay. All right. Show me the coup de grace here for the.
Yeah, so
what do we got?
We worked with Sydney and got her signature added right here to the engine cover. So now, a little piece of Sydney Sweeney signatures with the winner's car.
That looks really cool. If you squint and I do some Photoshop, it's his StangMode, guys. Just no, I'm saying. This is really cool. I like that Ford gave that plaque option because I know the aftermarket will put like their own name or the car.
That
So
normally has a 5-liter.
Yeah, that
logo
looks
there,
really
and
cool.
We wanted to make Sydney, bring the customization here a little.
No,
bit
I love
and
that.
Add that.
So your 5.0 speed with the Sydney Sweeney spec. Really cool. It's right here at the North American International Auto Show. And remember, guys, you can see it yourself in person here at the show. And stay tuned for the big show in North Carolina. 60
Absolutely.
years.
See you
Appreciate
there.
you, bro. Thank you.